Hey everybody, how's it going? Today, I'll bring you a long time request I've been having for a while now. It's a 2003 Cadillac Deville. It seems like I've gotten almost all generations of the Cadillac Deville over the years. So, figured it was only perfect to fit this one in. It's going to be a full in-depth tour of the Deville, start up, show the engine, show a bunch of the features on the interior and exterior, and go over some performance data. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and start it up and let it run. Gray leather interior. This Deville has the digital gauge cluster. And just needs a little bit of gas. Starts right up. Traction control is on the stock. And on the headlights, as well as the hazards. Automatic driver's side window. And we'll check out the exterior. LED turn signal mirrors. Have your cornering lamps. LED tail lamps, quad exhaust tips, pop the hood. It's got the 4.6 liter North Star V8. Power windows, locks, and mirrors. Full power driver's seat. Your light controls, trunk and fuel cap, driver information system, tilt steering wheel. You also have a digital tachometer. And we'll go and see how it sounds. The rev limiter in park is around 3,800 RPM. Not a bad sounding car. Actually getting a little bit of snow at the moment. Not enough to stick, but you can hear the ice hitting ever so slightly. Dual zone automatic climate control. And it does have OnStar. Hands-free phone controls, cruise control, volume controls on the steering wheel. And we're going to shut it down. Let's check out the rest of the car. Side airbags. Rear AC controls. It's coming down pretty good now. See if we can't speed this up. Go ahead and pop the fuel cap in the trunk. This is a very large trunk. Very nice. Well, we got done just as it was coming down the hardest. So, be sure to catch me next time. There's a lot more where that came from, guys. Hope you enjoyed.